Hey y'all, so today we're going to be trying 3 different hairstyles from Pinterest. I had 2 of my friends each pick one, and then I picked one as well. So we're going to see how these turn out. So this first one Adriana picked out. I don't have bangs, so we'll see how this turns out. I don't know what to do. I don't have bangs. Okay, so final look, I guess. I pinned my bangs up so they would be a little bit shorter. I mean, it kind of worked, not really. I feel like if I had bangs, this would be a cute style. I give this style a 6 out of 10 only because it doesn't really work for my hair. Alright, so this next one is Asia's pick. I personally think it's, again, looking at it on my phone, I personally think it's pretty cute. I feel like it might work for me because my front pieces might do that thing. I don't know, my front pieces honestly in the front of my hair are completely different than the rest of my hair. I don't know if you guys can, like, it's stringy, it's ugly. I just really would, you know, why can't it look like this? I don't know. The point is, so this next style I think I'm gonna like, and hopefully it turns out how I want it to. Really like this style. I give this an 8 out of 10. Only because I don't really like the clips. Honestly, I just feel like clips kind of get a little childish, and I already have a really young looking face, so I kind of want to look as adultish as possible. But for the most part, I really like this style. I think it's really cute. Good job, Asia. Yeah, it was really easy. The hardest part for me was trying to open up these butterfly clips with slippery feet. Alright, so this style is somewhat similar to the last one. I actually think I'm going to keep the ponytails that I had before and then just add to them because that makes it easier and it'll look about the same. I hate this style. I'm giving this a 4 out of 10. I look 11 years old. If I was to go to a buffet, they would let me get the kids menu. And I don't like that. So, thumbs down for this one. I actually picked this one. It's not giving me adult vibes right now. It's giving me child. Oh, and my undercut that's growing out. I could have slicked that back, but I'm not keeping my style. So in conclusion, style number 2 definitely was the, why did I say that so forcefully? 2. Style number 2 is definitely the best. Style number 3, I kind of figured out what, I knew that wasn't on my alley. It wasn't gonna work out. This was a good video for me to do because I do the same styles all the time. So it was nice to go out of my comfort zone and kind of try some new things. I would definitely try some more. I might do like a part 2 for this video and do some different, that's bothering me. I might do, you know what? Never mind. Cut the cameras. All right, I just tucked them. But I'll definitely, I just want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all who like my videos, subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm just starting out, so this is all kind of new. But yeah, thanks guys.